man cave adventure, something a little different. I'm going to, I'm out in the tractor yard. That came off the John Deere 2020, and I got some new sneaks on her, so we're gonna sell off the old ones. Dry rotted. The rims have some damage, probably from the calcium when they were loaded and that, but I'm using my Kubota MX 5200 with forks. Had a quick attach to have the forks on, or the bucket, or anything else, so it works out really nice. We worked real well together. Super nice guy. There you go. Happy people, all loaded up. Bingo, bango.